So before we get into this, go over to Kyle Peters, any social you have, and wish him good luck. You know, get well soon, whatever it is. He apparently broke his C5 and C6 vertebrae, and you know, apparently had all feeling in his extremities, but still that's scary, especially your neck, and really bad. But St. Louis was absolute carnage. You had people crashing every single race, big crashes, multiples of them too, not just like one big one, but in a whole bunch of corners. Here's RJ Hampshire flying off track. Obviously got right back up and he wasn't hurt. Landing on the cement or concrete, that's pretty scary. Jet Lawrence, these are just the highlights. There's probably also a lot of little ones that didn't get picked up by the TVs. He did not have a good race at all. He had so many problems, and this big one too, with Dean Wilson flying into the start-finish line jump, and his foot peg, ripped into his ass. Let's be honest about it. He's apparently fine. Has had a few surgeries already, and I think there's another 1 or 2 planned. But he's obviously going to be out for a long time because it's a lot of muscle that just got beat up, for lack of intended purpose, or ripped. There's the Troll Train. He looks like he was out absolutely cold. And, sucks to be the guy who hit him, because what can you do? Anderson went down a couple times. These are probably the tamest of them. Stewart went down too, and he actually had to have help getting out of the bike. But St. Louis was just an absolute war. But again, make sure to go over to Kyle Peters, any socials you can find. Wish him well, get well soon, anything like that. And I'll see you later. Peace.